Today is a new journey. We go to the city with the beautiful name of the goddess of war and wisdom. This is Athens. In this video you can see a historical landmark with the station square, walk through the local market with the souvenirs. And also I will tell you one local restaurant with a real Mediterranean cuisine. It's perfect food and not very expensive restaurant. The coordinates of the restaurant will be in this video. Watch the video until the end. And of course, after watching, check the subscription to my channel. Well, let's go to the Greece, the city of Athens. Let's go!
Other electronic devices without a flight mode must be switched off.
We are located in the Greek city of Athens. This city is the capital of Greece and the center of ancient Greek civilization. The name of the city was given in honor of the ancient Greek goddess of war and wisdom Athena. Also on my channel you can watch a video from the ancient Greek city of the Acropolis and the National Garden. All links can be found in the description under the video. We are going to the station. This is the station square. There are small shops and market. You can buy local souvenirs, a very big selection. There is one historical landmark near the station, ruins of an ancient church, paid entrance. Here you can see the ancient Greek architecture of columns, steps, stone, carvings, ornaments, mosaics. This is a small piece of the history of the city. Now watch the video review of this historical landmark. And here is the restaurant which I advise you to visit. Be sure to order the Greek salad. I'm sure that one of the best salads in the city will be prepared here. Fish, shrimps in the Mediterranean know how to cook. After such a dinner, you will not remain indifferent, and the restaurant will offer you a dessert made with national alcohol. This is a compliment from the restaurant. The warm and cozy atmosphere here will create a great mood. When you are in a restaurant, pay attention to the interior. Now you see the information where the restaurant is located. This is a small fragment of the changing of the guard with the blocking of the main street. Sunday parade changing of the guard with the orchestra and march. Now you see the Hotel Amelia, located 3 minutes from the Parliament, 3 minutes from the metro, 2 minutes from the National Garden. Very comfortable place to stay in the city. Now we go to the airport.
This was only a small part of the video overview of the city of Athens. On my channel there will be video reviews of local attractions of this city. I will leave it under this video, you can watch. I'm waiting for you on my channel next week and we will definitely go a new video journey together. Bye everyone!